In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank details on Zoho Invoice, ensuring all your financial transactions are up to date and accurate. Let's dive right in to make this process seamless for you. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Invoice dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and log in to your Zoho Invoice account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your invoicing activities. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Settings icon. Click on it to access various customization options for your account. The Settings menu is where you'll find everything you need to tailor your Zoho experience, from invoice templates to account preferences. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled PDF Templates. Click on PDF Templates, which will take you to a new section where your current invoice templates are listed. This is where you can make changes to how your invoices appear and include the necessary banking information. Next, identify the template you are using for your invoices. Once you've spotted it, you should see an option to edit. Click the Edit button. This will allow you to make modifications to the invoice template. This step is crucial as it grants you the flexibility to input your updated bank details. With the template editor open, you'll notice several sections you can customize. Look for the Other Details section on the editor. Click on this area as it houses your bank information and other pertinent details included in your invoices. Scroll through the options and Other Details until you see Add Your Bank Details. Click on it to bring up the fields where you can enter your bank information. This is where you need to be precise. Double-check all the bank details you type in to ensure accuracy. An accurate entry here prevents any future financial transaction issues. After inputting your bank information, it's time to ensure everything looks as it should. To do this, click on the Preview button. The Preview function gives you a snapshot of what your invoices will look like with the new bank details. It's an excellent opportunity to catch any errors before they potentially become issues. By completing these steps, you've successfully updated your bank details on Zoho Invoice. Moving forward, this ensures all your future invoices reflect the correct banking information, positioning your business for smooth sailing when handling financial transactions. Thank you for watching, and remember, whenever in doubt, revisit these steps to double-check your settings. Happy invoicing!